Everybody, hello. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. So good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you, Professor
The
Girish.
fifth workshop on Indian language resource and evaluation. I'll be muting you all for the moment, so don't feel offended. So thank you everybody for participating in large numbers and registering in large numbers. This is the, as you know, we had started this series of workshops in 2012 with our first occurring in Istanbul, Turkey, and then since we have continued every 2 years with the support of Microsoft Research, Research, KIIT Gurugram has also joined us. So we have now 4 very experienced co-chairs for the seminar. Great guns for so it takes a lot of effort on the part of this community and work hard to make sure the resources in Indian language data and technology are created as per standards. So on behalf of the workshop chairs, I welcome all attendees, participants, panelists, and our invited speakers for this event. Now, as you know, it was supposed to be held in France on the 16th May, but because of the COVID crisis, we had to reschedule it on today and on online mode. And our own student and now working in Prague, Charles University, Atul Ojha suggested that we should actually go for an online event this time. So thank you, Atul, for suggesting, and the chairs gladly accepted that. Now, for this event, we had sought papers in a variety of areas in language technology for India, including digital humanities, heritage computing, corpora, text multimodal, bimodal, etc., lexicon, machine grammar for NLP, IR, etc., and standards and licensing and copyrights, and also collaboration. And we got a good response from the community internationally. But after a very tough review, a blind review by 3 reviewers, we selected only best 5 papers for presenting in this event and 7 posters. As a community, the WILDRE research, particularly to map the status of Indian language resources, creating white papers and standards, and also investigate challenges related to creating and sharing various levels of language resources. And most importantly, to promote a dialogue between resource developers and users. Provide the community a forum, to interact. And luckily, we have our collaborators from Europe and America and many other parts of the world. And we have been actually able to do 4 occurrences before this is the 5th one, and published proceedings with the top ranking papers indexed by Thomson Reuters. And this year's proceedings is also out. You can check our website, sanskrit.jne.ac.in, for the details on the proceedings, and maybe download a copy for yourself. And those of you who have presented papers in this seminar would be glad to see their paper in that volume. So thank you very much, everybody, for being part of this WILDRE-5.